Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. We're gonna try. We are gonna try. But we're about to... Yes, I shaved my face. So we are about to shave my face. And the best thing that you could do after shaving your face is put on a face mask. Well, good morning, Rose. Say good morning. I just woke up.
Good morning, B. You gotta go potty?
Yeah, man, I gotta go outside. I just woke up. This is gonna sit on here for about like 15 minutes. I'm gonna make some coffee and possibly breakfast, so I will catch up with you guys later. Also, just for a quick, like, I don't know. I shaved my face because one, the peach fuzz is just, it's gross. And it makes for an easier application for makeup, and then also it gets rid of the dead skin. Am I blurry? Maybe. You guys are gonna come with me for making breakfast. I need to do something with this face. How many sausages do you want?
At least 4 or 5.
I think I fixed my microphone. This little guy right here, there's actually a screw all the way in the middle that needed to be tightened. So it no longer wobbles. Yay! It's not in the shop. Yes! Alright, so I got my truck loaded again. Alright, it is now 2:10 and I have dust from he was sanding the kitchen, and I don't know, I must have rubbed it in something. That's kind of gross. But there's a garbage truck coming, so it's gonna be loud. But we just got our truck all loaded. Oh, they're so cute. My girls are staring at me, but I can't. Nope, I got my camera. It's all comfortable, so you guys are staying. So we're about to go over there, just unload this stuff. I might take some stuff out of the, we'll call it the middle bedroom for my studio, so we'll see about that. So let's go for a drive. Okay, so so I just got back to, I just got to the, I guess our new home. We'll just start calling it our home because that's what it's gonna be. But this was on my doorstep. So I just wanted to open it really quick for you guys because I don't think there's little jars in here like last time. If you haven't seen my last unboxing, you can check it out. Was it on this side? Yeah, you can check it out over here in the little eye. But this is the hemp crate coat. So everything in here is, it's legal. And it's not going to get you high. Although YouTube might demonetize this vlog because of this. They demonetized my full unboxing, so maybe we won't do too much in here. Oh, and if you guys would like to try out the subscription box, that just reminded me. I do have is it an affiliate? Yeah, it is. I have an affiliate code that you guys could save 20%. It's Jessica20. I don't know why I did that because it'll be on the screen. Ooh, Sour Space Candy. This one is weird. I don't even know if there's, how do I open this bag? Alright, so in here we have something from Jacqueline. It's a, ooh, CBD moon rock. 46% CBD. It's like CBD hash. That's exciting. I'm excited for this. I can't wait to take this home, and that's not our home anymore. But anyways, I can't wait to take this back to Kevin so he could, you know, yeah. So it didn't come with jars, but it came with some other nice, delicious stuff. And this is a post-workout CBD infused whey protein. And you just add water. That's interesting. We are, well, I didn't just work out, so we're not going to try this, but we are about to bring all the boxes back in from inside. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini unboxing. I know it was random and weird, and what up, guys? So this is even more of a disaster now. Just all of this, like none of this is even makeup. Like I still got bats. It's still Halloween over here, guys. My heat's on. So I'm kind of running out of space in the living room, and the other stuff is kind of big and heavy. So I need Kevin to help me. Eventually I have to take not everything in here, but I also have to declutter like my closet. This is not even a fourth of what I own. This is just a box of shoes. Like, this is all just shoes. I like shoes. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it up here, like at this house. We're gonna go back to the other house, see what Kevin's up to. It is now, it's 3 o'clock actually. So, dinner tonight is going to be turkey burgers and something else, and asparagus. I'm adding the asparagus to it because I have it and I don't want it to go bad. So I think it might just be the Lights Lacquer unboxing for day 4, 5. And then cooking, and then that's probably going to wrap it up for this vlog. Alright, so I will catch you guys about a couple hours because, like I said, it's 3 o'clock. Dinner is usually around 5-ish, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. That was a nice face. That was a very nice face you just made there, Jessi.
What are you doing? Come in. What are you doing?
Alright, I'm gonna try and film this dinner. I can't really do the talking and everything. You can hear downstairs. He's got music playing. I don't want to get copyrighted. So it might be another voiceover, you guys. I am sorry. Yell at Kevin in the comments. Alpine Turkey Burgers with mushroom Swiss cheese Dijonnaise and potato wedges. So for this one, you will need 12 ounces of Yukon Gold potatoes, 10 ounces of ground turkey, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 potato buns, or any type of bun, 4 ounces of button mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of fry seasoning, which is just onion, garlic, and paprika. A teaspoon of each equals a tablespoon. So 3 teaspoons equal a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 slices of Swiss cheese. And we're gonna preheat our oven to 450. Alright, so first we're gonna take our potatoes and we're gonna cut them into a 1/2 inch thick wedges. You wanna let your potatoes out on your baking sheet, and then you wanna take a tablespoon of fry seasoning. And like I said, that is just paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. 3 teaspoons equal 1 tablespoon. And we're just gonna sprinkle that all over. I'm gonna save a little bit of, like a half really quick, and then I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna put the other half on top. Alright, and then now these potatoes are going to roast on the top rack at the 450 degrees for about 20-25 minutes until they are browned. Now, personally, halfway through the cooking, I like to give them like a little stir, so. And this pan is for my asparagus. This is not actually part of the recipe, but I need to use my asparagus. So, but I'm gonna save this. I'm just gonna set it over there. So a really good part about this recipe, for me anyways, I really hope that's not too loud, but he hates mushrooms, so I get extra mushrooms. Now we are about to take our mushrooms and we are going to thinly slice those, and also we need to have our buns. Alright, to my asparagus, I'm just going to add a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Yeah, I messed up. You're supposed to save half the fry seasoning. So I'm just gonna add garlic and paprika.
Everybody be good.
And onion, because I messed up. Alright, so he's finishing the burgers out on the grill. I didn't catch any of that because it's dark, there's no light, blah blah blah. But I'm about to cut this avocado because I like avocados with my burger. The potatoes are done, and our asparagus is done, and the mushrooms are done. And then we also did mix the sauce. You just mix the mayonnaise, sour cream, Dijon mustard, a little bit of salt and pepper. And you can get like, what they call it, a Dijonnaise. Fancy. Anyways, I will catch you guys when he comes in with the burgers. And now we wait for Kevin.
Presentation 1. Ooh.
I really hope that was
Beautiful.
Come on guys, let's go see these delicious burgers he cooked. And you just top it with your little mayonnaise and mushrooms, unless you don't like mushrooms. And some potatoes on the side, and Rosie can't wait to dig in. She looks a little bit guilty.
True.
She won't even look at the camera.
Oh, that's why you're pointing that thing at me.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas Day 11. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some of my content, or you missed any of the other Vlogmases, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch these videos, all my Vlogmases, any of my other videos. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next one tomorrow. Bye!